What's up everyone, welcome back. So let me catch you guys up real quick. I haven't been recording, but as of right now I have the 435i. As you guys saw, the emblem already off, but I have to take off the residue. I masked off my emblems because I have to see which one my car is, because they either come in two different types, either grommets or just adhesive. I'm gonna start taking off the emblems so that way we are ready to start wrapping my car. It's not gonna be in this video, it's gonna be in the next, because I have another part to install and I'll show you guys right now. Let me go right into my room. I'm just waiting on one more thing and it comes in tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going Catless. It's a Catless downpipe. So I will definitely do some reviews on how it sounds and overall how it is. I'm not sure who's gonna be helping me yet, but you guys will see in this video. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is soaking up the heat wrap so that way I can heat wrap my downpipe. There is my downpipe and the defellers right there. So I'll catch you guys as soon as I'm wrapping it. Alright, heat wrap is all done. Some parts look more janky than the others, but overall it's like nice and tight. I'll catch you guys the day of. What's up everyone? So today is the day. It's a little bit hot. I've been resting. I got off of work an hour ago, but I have my downpipe right there. Alright, so first things first is what you want to do is remove those connectors and let them dangle, because I see a lot of people struggle and try to take off the O2 sensor when it's still on the downpipe. Don't do that. Just disconnect it, let it dangle, and then take them off after, so that way you don't make your life a lot harder than it already is, you know. All right. Oh shit, watch out, he bites, dog. Watch out. Yeah.
It just looks like you guys are pretending to work or something.
Fuck you. Actually, we'll just leave. We'll just let it hang. All right then. Fuck it. That's the new. Oh shit.
So who just got here, Edgar?
You. Fucking late like always though.
What the fuck?
No, I'm just kidding.
That's crazy. You hear what this piece is saying?
But you bring the drinks in, so it's all forgiven.
You know. It's a hot ass day, bro. Fuck. Talk about being late. I don't know who was late to their own meet. Our own crew.
Oh, that's crazy. Shit, I've never had the fucking half and half.
You're a sucker, didn't you?
I didn't want to.
Angel's gonna be like, oh. Clip it from the top because my wire's hanging.
There.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, come on.
Ready? Who's filming this shit?
Oh!
Damn!
You see? That's just beefy, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
you ready?
use
I'm gonna
your-
pass it to you. Oh shit. Alright, go for it.
It's heavy.
What time?
Go. Yeah, and this is going to be replacing it.
Bro, let me see. Let me see. Oh my god. Oh, be careful with that, dude. You're gonna get itchy.
Oh
after.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
This is $90.
You're stupid.
Anyone that steals cats, I got you.
Me too, bro. Me too. When'd you get your beard lined up? Oh, when'd you get a haircut?
Tuesday, I think.
Damn, who cut your hair, bro? Shut him out.
421 cuts.
Damn. I'm gonna go with Omar tomorrow.
Sure.
Omar cuts. Alright, Edgar, so what you doing, bro? Explain to your viewers.
I am fucking trying to put on the downpipe.
It looks like you're fisting your fucking car, bro.
It's so hot in here.
What the?
Oh shit, I didn't even mean it like that. No.
Are you gonna turn it on?
No.
Why not? I think you should turn it on.
Nah.
Can I turn it on?
No.
So you can hear it.
No, I'll be right down here.
Can
I think you have to start it like that.
Yeah, you have to, bro.
Yeah, I think every like exhaust video does it like that.
Every what?
Every like exhaust video does it like that.
We're prominence,
Yeah.
Yeah, promise is different, Taco. The fuck?
Yeah, we don't just start it up. We fucking rev the shit out of it. I'm just kidding, bro. I did that.
Alright, fuck it, fine, I'm starting.
Yeah.
There.
Alright, there,
Yeah,
go for
that's
it,
a
go
good
for
one,
it.
that's a good one.
Alright.
I'm scared. I don't think that's good.
You should. That's not good.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Alright, so we've been looking for a nut.
Is it even on?
Last 2 hours.
Is it even on?
Yeah, it's on.
Or was it?
Oh
And
my
we
god.
found it in Edgar's back pocket.
I
My
fucking
back-
told you,
Bro,
fucking-
we spent
I told
hours
you,
looking
bro.
for it.
Check your
Didn't
pocket,
we
bro.
can-
Who knows? Maybe it's in your pocket. yeah, I still need to.
Oh, started it.
Go for it. Alright. You have the car running now? After how long, Taco?
I have no idea.
Damn. And Taco's quiet ass car over there.
For now.
Here, hold it. Hold this one too. Alright, so we're setting up the GoPro camera to see if my car's gonna spit some flames. I doubt it though. Hopefully. Alright, let me see my phone now. I have to make sure it's in the perfect setting. Like You heard that one! You heard that! You heard that one! Did you hear it? You heard it? Bro! Alright, go. Ready? I have my camera on too, so I didn't pick it up. Alright, update on the car. So it choked itself twice, and Taco was witness of that one.
Yeah, I saw the.
Oh, you actually saw it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Like, well, I mean, I was at the stoplight, and then like, it was like, and then it just turned off.
It turned on?
Yeah, it turned off. That's why I said it choked itself. the media from the GoPro. Those were, I had some loud ass pops, Taco.
Yeah.
You were witnessing them?
Yeah, for sure. That shit was sick.
That was sick, huh? I need to learn that shit.
Yeah, we gotta learn that shit, bro. Tune in next time. Hopefully the cruise video drops soon. Stay tuned till May 30th. We're gonna have a cruise. Big anniversary. Get that real quick. Hold on. Look at that. 16, May 16, bro. Our first fucking cruise.
Damn, that's when I was fucking stocked. Bro.
That's sick, bro. Bro, a year, bro.
Alright, but yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna figure out the whole choking on my car. That sounds so gay. I'm gonna figure out why my car is choking, but other than that, catch you guys in the next video.
Alright, I have no idea why it took me forever, but yes sir, super license right there. So, I don't know how this works. I'm gonna try to mess around and see what I can do. Flash, MHD, map. Oh shoot.
Yes sir, my tune is working a lot better. It still kind of runs a little stupid because of the defoulers. That's whenever I'm stopped, but other than that, it's perfectly fine. I might take off the defoulers because yeah, I'm not really a big fan of this whole chopping thing. But I brought the GoPro 360 right there, just in case. But I'll show you guys a few clips of it popping. It pops really nice. Alright, so after driving my tune and downpipe, I already blew my charge pipes. Oh my god! Am I even gonna be able to drive that home?
Yeah.
Is it that bad actually when you blow a church pipe?
I mean, it's just NA now.
Yeah.
Literally.
Oh, it's not turbo? Damn. Oh, see, now I'll race it. No turbo.
Alright, as you guys see, I made it back home, and my charge pipe is still blown. It's holding on by some zip ties, but that is not the solution. So as of right now, I have a car that doesn't run. So when you guys get a downpipe and tune, I would suggest get 3 things: downpipe, tune, and charge pipes, because those things are gonna blow in a matter of seconds. I think they even blow when it's stock. But other than that, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make the cruise on May 30th, but I'll see you guys later in the next video. Like and subscribe.